Are you passionate about starting your own food business but feeling overwhelmed about where to begin? Whether you dream of opening a cozy cafe, a sizzling food truck, or a full-scale restaurant, a detailed business plan is your roadmap to success. In this video I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to write a food business plan that not only helps you stay organized but also attracts investors and customers alike. Let's dive in and get cooking. Step 1. Executive Summary. The executive summary is like a highlight reel of your entire plan. It should provide a concise yet engaging overview of your food business concept. Describe what your business is all about in a compelling manner, whether it's a farm-to-table restaurant focusing on organic ingredients or a dessert truck serving creative ice cream flavors. Your mission statement outlines what your business stands for, such as providing fresh, affordable, and healthy meals to your community. Then share your vision. Where do you see your business in 5 or 10 years? Don't forget to include key financial highlights, projected revenue, profit margins, and a brief mention of how you'll use any potential investments. The goal of this section is to hook your readers immediately so that they feel excited to read more. Step 2. Company overview. Here you'll detail the name of your food business and its location. Explain why you chose this name and how it reflects your brand identity. Describe the legal structure of your business, such as whether you're a sole proprietor, limited liability company, LLC, or a corporation. The legal structure that you choose will have implications for taxes, liability, and how you operate. Next, outline your business goals. Do you want to become a neighborhood favorite in 1 year, or are you planning to open multiple Cat Heinz in 5 years? Be clear about your objectives, both short-term and long-term, as they guide your strategy and decision-making process. Investors and partners will also want to understand your why. What motivated you to launch this food business, and what problems are you solving for your customers? This section helps to establish credibility and sense of purpose. Step 3. Market analysis. Start with a look at current industry trends. Is there a growing demand for plant-based meals or an increasing preference for sustainable food practices? This kind of information shows that you're aware of the broader landscape. Then define your target market. Who are your ideal customers? Describe their demographics, such as age, gender, and income level, as well as their psychographics. What are their eating habits, dining preferences, and lifestyle choices? The more you know about your customers, the better you can tailor your offerings. Next, conduct a competitor analysis. List your main competitors, what they do well, and where they fall short. This analysis will help you identify opportunities to differentiate your business. For example, if there are plenty of fast food chains but no vegan-friendly options, that could be your niche. Finally, outline your competitive advantage. What makes your business unique? It could be your use of local ingredients, a signature dish, or a dining experience unlike any other in the area. Step 4. Product or service line. Provide a detailed description of your menu or service offerings. If you're a restaurant, list your signature dishes, seasonal specials, and any unique ingredients that make your menu stand out. For a catering business, outline the types of events that you'll serve and any customizable menu options. Be as descriptive as possible to paint a mouth-watering picture. Explain where you're sourcing your ingredients. Will you use local farms to ensure freshness, or import specialty items for authenticity? Discuss your food safety and quality assurance plan. How will you maintain cleanliness in the kitchen and ensure food is handled safely? You'll also want to talk about your packaging and presentation strategies. Are you using biodegradable containers for takeout? Will your dishes be presented with artistic flair to impress diners? Because every detail matters, as presentation is key in the food business. This section helps render understanding of the heart of your business, your product, and how it will be consistently high quality. Step 5. Marketing strategy. Start with your brand identity. Describe your logo, brand colors, and the overall theme of your business. Are you aiming for a hip, trendy vibe, or a cozy, family-friendly feel? Next, dive into your website strategy. An engaging website is a must, especially for a food business. It should have high-quality photos of your dishes, an easy-to-navigate menu, and an option for online reservations or ordering. Social media marketing is crucial in today's world, so discuss which platforms that you'll focus on, whether it's Instagram for photos, Facebook for event announcements, or TikTok for food challenges and trends. Plan to engage with your audience through constant content and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Don't forget local marketing efforts like partnering with nearby businesses or participating in community events. If applicable, outline any promotions or loyalty programs that you'll run to encourage repeat business. For example, offer a free meal after 10 visits or special discounts during happy hours. Step 6. Operations plan. Begin by describing your daily workflow. What time does the kitchen staff start preparing ingredients? When does the front of house team set up the dining area or the truck prepare for its ride? Being detailed helps you understand your needs and improve efficiency. Then outline staff roles and responsibilities. Specify how many cooks, servers, or cashiers you'll need and what each person will do. Discuss your equipment and technology. Do you have a modern point-of-sale system to streamline orders? Are you investing in online ordering apps for convenience? Health and safety. Compliance is crucial in the food industry, so explain how you'll meet regulations, from storing food at the right temperature to sanitizing services regularly. Inventory management is another vital area. How will you track ingredients to avoid waste or shortages? Discuss your supplier relationships. Reliable suppliers ensure that you have fresh ingredients and can meet your demand. Step 7. Financial projections. Begin by breaking down your startup costs. Include everything from purchasing equipment and furniture to marketing expenses and initial inventory. Make sure to be thorough so that there are no surprises later. Then outline your funding requirements so that you know how much money you need to get started and how you will use these funds. Are you looking for loans, grants, or equity investors? Next, explain your revenue model. Will you earn money through daily restaurant sales and catering or meal subscription service? Be clear about your income streams. Create a projected profit and loss statement that outlines expected revenue, expenses, and profit margins. This shows whether your business is financially viable. Cash flow projections are also essential, especially in the food industry where expenses can be unpredictable. Finally, include a break-even analysis. This will indicate when your business will start to make a profit, which is crucial information for your investors. Step 8. Management team. Talk about your background and experience in the food or business industry. Maybe you've managed a restaurant before or have culinary arts degrees. Highlight how your skills and passion for food set you up for success. Then introduce your management team. If you have a head chef, operations manager, or marketing director, share their qualifications and what they bring to the table. This adds credibility to your plan. Don't forget to discuss your hiring and employee training plans. What kind of training will you provide to ensure high standards of food safety and customer service? Will you have an employee handbook and regular training sessions? The food business is all about teamwork, and a well-prepared staff is key to a smooth operations. Show that your team is talented, experienced, and ready to make your food business ahead. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.